Hi traders, it's Gail and I want to thank you for watching my channel. If you found your way to my channel, you're probably interested in momentum trading. Momentum trading is a form of trend trading, and all the great traders are trend traders. What Forex trainees are exposed to more than any other strategy tends to be support and resistance, but support and resistance is not the way to great success. All the world's greatest traders are trend traders. Momentum is a very specific method of trading into trend, where you follow price action and get your cue from price action to enter at the right time so that you can enter when price is ready to move. Why is this important? It's important because what I am first and foremost is a risk manager. It's more important to me to manage my risk than any other single thing that I do as a trader. And I use a very small time frame entry that uses a very low risk stop. Over the past several years, I've gone from using a 20 pip stop to typically an 8 pip stop. This offers me great protection in terms of my losses being small. And enabling me to have high return trading. If you are able to master the small, precise stop, that is the holy grail of trading. I don't consider anything else to offer a trader's protection that mastery of the precision entry does. So no matter how long it takes you as a trader to become impeccable with your risk, and to be able to find the way to enter at the right time so that you can have a tight stop and get out of that trade with a few pips maximum exposure. More often, I tend to try to pull my trade at break even if it goes against me. Then you will have the ability to have very high performance in terms of your return. I take my cue from the high time frames, so I have a couple of daily charts up here that are of interest to me, that have been of interest to me this week. I have the Euro Aussie to the left, where we have had very strong momentum this past week, to the long, into a greater short trend as seen on the weekly chart. And to the right, I have the dollar CAD, which has had a strong uptrend, which has been making higher highs and higher lows. And while it did have some corrective action this week, I was able to take a nice chunk out of yesterday's move to the long. We'll be watching this chart for further long price action. All of my trades are entered using the slingshot or the moth entry patterns. These are time-honored methods of entering into trend trades. They have been used for decades, starting with floor traders, and they're very reliable when you know how to use them. On my YouTube channel, you will see a lot of progression over the years that I've been making my videos. I started out as a means of training other traders that had asked me for help with understanding high time frame setups. I learned first to be a swing trader. My first mentor was David Kalachi, and I first was exposed to momentum through him. I traded what we called fresh crosses of key moving averages, which were the 21 and the 55, and I did that on daily and 4-hour charts. The moth turns out to be very similar to what I traded so many years ago that was called the fresh cross. And I learned from Kalachi the importance of patiently waiting for correct entry. Now I do the same. I just do it on smaller time frame using swing setups that I see on 4-hour, on daily, and on weekly charts. This gives me an advantage in that I can have longer targets for my trades. Any trade that I enter on a day trade, I want to see that I can at least take a 30 pip chunk out of that swing setup. And I'm doing that with an 8 pip stop. So even if it just goes 20 pips, I've got a 1 to 2.5. And if you think about that, you can see how that gives you extraordinary return. I wish each of you the best in your trading. I hope that you can find your way to trading trend and specifically momentum with precision entry. I have a Twitter account, gtrader444 on Twitter, and you can reach me at my Yahoo mail address, gtrader444 at yahoo.com. Thank you.